Welcome to the mix, and here on the mix we have Marcia as she responds to Miss D. Now there is a controversy going on between both of them, and it's like a really big thing on the internet right now. So you could just go ahead and watch her. I mean, she's really making some points, and there is talks about lawyers and everything else. So just go ahead and watch the video for yourself. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to make comments as well. This one is hot.
You call me Cassie. You call me Cassie. That is to show you how you is. In your video, you call me Cassie, you know. In your video, that's I'm take off my glass. You call me Cassie in your video, you know. So at this the program, you know. Me never go as far and describe your body yet on social media. And believe me, I can. But you make a statement how you say the people them say, oh, me bad man, I'm a wicked. I say, oh, not because she have Cassie. So how does Cassie come in a hobby argument or whatever? You diss the program. But me make sleeping dogs lie. The word of God says, I will say again, what is it to profit a man? To gain the world and lose his soul. Show me in a fire, but me never get burned. Driver, come on, away. Yes, come on, away. No, you can't sit down there, so. Me want me wheel and turn. Get away. I don't like that. I've been in Jamaica for 2 weeks. And before I left to go take my corona test, 24 hours before, I have not come to your house. I was in my hotel. And I called you to tell you goodbye because you and I have been speaking on telephone during the time in Jamaica, saying hello and whatever. You said to me, say, Marcia, I am home doing my makeup. I am doing my makeup. Pass through and come check me. Me said to you, say, me no really want to come here, come check it because me know them all crucify me. You said, come check your man. Me come down there, me see you, we talk a brief, your hypocrite so-called friend them, take the pictures, them laugh off of me and whatever, and that was it. Me no big friend. I want you with me, I don't big friend. I've been to Jamaica many times and I passed by your house with a willing heart. Me stop by your house many times to say hello to you with a willing heart. Not to throw hobby upon you and not to buy. But based on your conversation today, I don't say nothing wrong. Based on your conversation that you have today, it is a proof to me that you are agreeing to what the man say. The man was on a mission to see you come out and behave like this, and he accomplished it. But trust me, who don't know win yet? Who not think it? You think who not win? Who don't know win yet? Who not win? Who not trust me? Who not win? Me not read comment. So that based on my intelligence and the observation that I get from your video, you's a big hypocrite, just like me. A big hypocrite, just like myself, as you indicated. You understand? Me is a, you is a big... Me just a come out and talk what you say now. Me just a go over yourself. You said that me call you, me not call you. Me text you. And the voicemail that I sent you, you're damn right for not answer them, because they wasn't pretty. You're right, because you know, so when me I talk over voicemail, you know, so me no sugarcoat nothing. And all the things them that you have been saying about me, they have not been said in videos. They have been said right here on social media. You don't have no voicemail with me I chat you. If you have any voicemail with me I chat you, it would be the people who me sit down with and name with or eat with. And it wouldn't be talking. It will be elaborating and subject what's going on social media like everybody else. So if you play a voicemail now, me can know where it's coming from because me not sit down and chat you. We deliberate on subject that is happening on social media. That's what we see. Una not come out here. Una not coming out here and tell a lie upon me. And when you're talking in your video, me know son of me alone I talk. Because me not do you nothing. For you, if you can talk about you get liar upon liar. You can't get no liar upon me. You can't boast about no white liar upon me. You see where you stay? Black liar not good enough for you. You reach so big that black liar. Miss Kitty is in Jamaica. Miss Kitty is a big top-attached educated woman and she's a liar. And you have to say you not deal with your boasting about white man. I tell you how changed you are. But as I said, me not quote a condone you. Me not quote a condone you because me have sense. Me have sense. Me not dunce. Me not too duncy. Me know how to pick sense out of nonsense. And you know, watch all my video because based on my video that I came out here and articulate on, people call you and tell you foolishness. You never watch all of it. Because me never say people are sending you something. Me say maybe them all are sending you something. Maybe them are sending you something and you not acknowledge them. Because people like you. So people must send something for you. To buy a little cement. I never said donors were sending something to you. Me said the way them like you, they must be even send you something. Listen with wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. The big belly girl is here. The ugly, cassie, cockeye girl is here.
Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.